Why is business travel so tiring, and what can we do about it? And the worst part is you can't complain to your colleague because not everyone has the opportunity to travel this much and they don't relate to your problem. The real reason why we're tired after business trip is not because of the jet lag or meetings. It's actually those things that we seldom notice. Hi, it's Tess. Welcome to Delicate Revolt TV, the entrepreneur launchpad for travelers and doers. Today we'll talk about why is business travel so tiring and what can we do about it to make it less stressful. The first day or two after business travel is exhausting. Not only do we have to deal with the emails from last week, but also there are new things coming this week. And the worst part is that you can't really complain to other colleagues because not everyone have the opportunity to travel frequently and they don't relate to your problems. Many of us might think that business travel is tiring because of jet lag and meetings. To be honest, I have had my share of long meetings in the office. What makes us really tired for the business trip is not meetings, not jet lags, it's actually things that we seldom notice. Number one, when you're in a new environment, you feel tired more easily. When we're in a new city, our brain is constantly looking and searching for new information. For example, when you bring your cell phone to a new coffee shop, you can see the Wi-Fi signal keeps spinning because your phone is working to search for a new signal. And when you get to the coffee shop the second time, it gets connected immediately. Our brain works the same way. Second, when we're not familiar with the local resource, it uses up more energy as well. When we are on a business travel, we are constantly identifying and organizing new resources to accomplish what we do on a day-to-day basis. For example, when you are traveling in a new airport, you need to figure out where the rental car is, where to get on the Uber. When you arrive at the destination, you need to figure out where the breakfast is and where's the gym. You see, all of these little tasks adds up, and at the end of the day, your brain has been working and doing research for a whole day. No wonder you're tired. Number three, home is our charging dock. Home is adapted over time to our need to recharge. And that is why when we are away from home, we felt like a mobile phone without a battery charger, that our battery just keeps dipping down. Finally, when you are on a business travel, you are constantly handling and facing crisis. On a business travel, there are many components that are beyond your control. For example, I was flying out from New York JFK airport for a domestic trip. As I get near the airport, I realized that the airport is under construction, so I had to take a detour, and that takes me another 15 minutes. When I arrived at the boarding gate, I was told that my flight was delayed for 45 minutes. And then after all the waiting, I was told that the boarding gate has changed. Now I have to haul my luggage all the way to the new gate. After I arrived at the destination, I checked email and realized that the meeting agenda the next day had changed. I have to adjust quickly. You see, over this one day, I haven't had one meeting, nor do I have to survive jet lag. Yet, after this whole day of changes, when I hit the pillow, I fell asleep in 3 seconds. Now that we know the real reason we feel so tired on a business trip, so that we can be more smart and strategic when planning for a trip and also be mindful to control some variance during the trip. For example, reduce reliance on remote resource, focus on the 20% things that are related to people before an important meeting, and also bring your sleep routine to your hotel room, which I will talk more in the next few episodes. If the information today is helpful to you, please share and subscribe. And also come to delicaterevolt.com for more lessons learned by an entrepreneur, because you are meant for more than that. So let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. See you next time.